This is the VallisCo 10-speed register booster fan, and it arrives just like this. This was sent to me for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. Inside the package, you're going to get the vent fan itself, the power cable, which is actually about 7 foot long, pretty long cable. You're going to get a couple of screws if you're wall mounting it, the user manual, which shows you how to run all of the different features on here, and always a favorite of mine, the remote control. Okay, this is the 4-inch by 10-inch version in brown. Let's get a couple of measurements here, and I will show you how easy it was for me to install it in the location that I wanted it in. On the front, it is about 1 foot by 5.5 inches, made out of plastic. This is all plastic, by the way, the whole thing. The part that's going to fit into the floor here is about 9 3/4 inches by a little under 4 inches. And you can see they've slotted this out here so that when it does mount into the floor, the cable won't get pitched. I like that. So here we go. I'm going to pull my old vent out. Mine just sits right in there. Sits right in there perfectly. You connect the power cable to it right here. And you just plug it in. Looking at the top here, there are 2 adjustable louvers. And we have an easy to read LCD panel. You can make your manual adjustments on this panel here. Going through the remote control on here, we can see it has an ionizer on it. According to the manufacturer, the fan booster releases negative ions to help refresh the room. I'm not sure how that works on this unit, but it sure sounds good. I have no way to test this, but according to the company, this floor vent booster is able to deliver 140 cubic feet per minute of airflow. So it should be a big help in larger rooms like this one. The remote control runs on 2 AAA batteries, which you are going to need to provide. So going through the remote control over the on-off, easy enough. You can turn the light off and on if you like. You can lock the temperature. You have 10 different speeds. You can just cycle through the speeds using the wind button. If you can hear it or not, that is on speed 10 right there. Kicking out like a house fan, not too terribly loud. It has 4 different modes on it. We have a cool mode, and you can see the little snowflake guy lights up right there. When you're in cold mode, you can press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds to set the temperature that you want it at. We have heat mode. And again, you can press the mode button and hold it for 3 seconds and set it to the desired temperature. We have fan mode here, where you can just manually run the fan and set it to the desired speed that you want. When you have sleep mode turned on, the display panel light goes off and the fan speed just adjusts to level 2 automatically. And of course, you can turn on the ionizer right here as well. I'm going to leave it in heat mode because it is colder here right now, but there you go. This thing's going to work great out here in our dining room / home office where we have trouble getting the airflow we need to this vent. Very nice.